Hello my country people, una do. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare my rosemary oil. So this is the dry leaf, rosemary dry leaf. I prefer blending my rosemary leaf so that it will diffuse well into the oil. So this is the glass jar I'll be using. So already I've blended it. This is dry blending. There are some people that have this blender, small blender. So if you have that, you can put the oil and add the rosemary leaf and blend together. But I don't have that one, so that's why I'm using this dry blender. So I'll be adding 2 spoons. This is the second spoon. So I'll just weigh it. I'll add more because the other spoon was not to the brim. So here it is, I've added it. So as usual, I'm using my sunflower oil. This is the sunflower oil. The name is written in Spanish, girasol, so that's the name. So I'll just use my eyes to gaze. Just like if you have 2 tablespoons, double the oil, like let the oil cover the quantity you have measured out, and then you add extra, like there is no particular measurement I'm using. So I've now covered it. You have to use a tight cover because I'll be doing double boiling method. This is to help the oil to steam it a little, then after which I will now bring it out from the water. This is the way it is now. You can actually use it like this as it is, but I'll be leaving my own to sit for 24 hours or more. So by then I'll be rest assured that the oil have the rosemary have really diffused well into the oil. So I'll be leaving it for 24 hours. I forgot to mention, for the double boiling, you allow it for 15 minutes. So after 24 hours, this is it. I'm using double filter to filter it, double net, so that no particles will enter into the oil. So I'll go ahead and filter it. Here it is, I'll filter now. So after filtering for the particles, for the remaining stuff in the glass jar, you don't waste it. You boil water and add to it and use it for your hair rinse or leave-in condition. So that's how I do mine. So here it is. The oil is here, ready, beautiful.